mosquito here, try get, you see me? Scoop from a Glock. Alright vlog, wagwan. So today I'm gonna take a kind of like behind the scenes in the process of me making a voiceover video. I've done several voiceover videos and you know, most of the times they do very good. The latest one that I did got over like 400,000 views. I think, yeah, clap for that on Instagram. So I'm grateful for that. Big up on yourself. I'm gonna do another one now and I think I should, you know, maybe like show people like behind the scenes of how I do that. First thing first, I guess when I do voiceover videos, come say a whole heap of people, you know what I mean, try and do them thing. But I guess not everybody really deep into it. But when I do a voiceover video, you want to choose the right video. And every video where, you know, you just have some mosquito, if you're not all the way off, you see, brother. So you want to choose the right video. Some people them just grab a video and try to show them voice funny. What you also want to do is make sure that it is sync up as best as possible. I don't know if I just me alone, but I like when things like, it look like it makes sense. The next thing now, you know, I have to force something that is not there. With me, when I look on the video them, like as I look at the video, I see the scenario. The scenario just jump out at me and that's what I use. Now sometimes I don't make the video right away, but the scenario that it gave me is so strong that it stays in my mind for a long while. So I will see a video like a month ago and then maybe this month I decide to make it. But the scenario was just, it was so strong that it in my head. So when we're ready now, I'm in the right frame of mind to make the video, we just go on, boom, jump in, do my thing. And usually, all of them, some videos usually like one take, with other videos, I do multiple takes. Just to get the right sound or the right feel. Out and bad to badly bad, it get intensificate. I see the girl them palm gate and them just want to get the weight all over bogle part. Another tip again is that the type of sound we are trying to create, like if you want to sound far away, you go far away, you see me? If you want to sound close, you go close. If you whisper, you whisper. If you talk loud, you talk loud. If somebody duck way behind somewhere, then you find some way if you like duck way behind somewhere and make it sound like, you know, like, yo, around us over there, them type of thing there, you know what I mean? Them the like an element they add to your voiceover videos. Now the video what I'm gonna do today is this one. Yeah, that video. Where it look like him a do. Look like him a dance, though. And when I see it, like a couple months ago, you know, I just saved them video in my saves. In my save for IG. And I see it. And I say it, give me, when I hear me sing a while ago, throw away them out there. Out and bad to badly bad, it get intensificate. That's the vibe it give me, and for months, we just sit down upon it. So now, I'm going to try to put it together, and I'm going to see how the process is. Alright, so the recording process now, I have a mic, what I use as but really and truly, if you don't have a mic, you can have your cell phone. What is important is that you use the same tactics them when we just show you, like the tips of, if you need to go far, you go far. And all of them things there, if it's close, if you need to whisper, if you need to shout, do it in a real life. It's acting, you know. It's acting, but you also want the emotions and the feelings where I try to convey through the voiceover video. You want it to feel like that actually go on in a video. That help to sell your video. Load up here now. We just give the video like a next preps. The more I look upon the video, the more I get like certain little things. So the name them where I jump out at me right now are Marvin and Sherry. Zin? If you name Marvin or Sherry, sorry. But that's the vibe where the video give me. The name them where the video true give me Marvin and Sherry. So it look like Marvin a dance and Sherry need to go somewhere. And Marvin a show off in dancing. What is also, if you can, you watch the video while you do your thing. Zin? So I'm going right now, I see. Let me say, sometimes them things just take one take. Sometimes it take more than one. Mic check. I think I'm going to do Shereen voice after. So I'm just work with Marvin. I give it a one watch, then go in a voiceover. We ready now? Let me say acting, so if you can mimic the actions and them thing there, just to get the feel, you do it. Like some people when they are doing voiceover, if you ever see like cartoons and voiceovers, certain look at actions them try to mimic it for real. Just to really match. If you don't shut the fuck up. Just for really match what the character is doing. You don't want to get too close to the mic. My brother did say it on the last video I do. It wasn't a voiceover video, but yo Kevin, you did too close to your mic. Me the one they close to your mic. That was the feel I wanted to give off. Like really up in my mic. Shereen, look at. No, look at Shereen. So, where they was say, that will never die. Oh, that was so badly bad, it'll get intensified. I said the kids them in the street, all the big man, never practice with it. Oh no, walk the path, I got it, and I do it, everybody, everybody, Sharin! This is editing, Kevin. Like the clip I wanna just see, I edit it right now. So many thoughts going through my head, like, brother. How girl get your boom boom down? No, look on this. No, sir. And that's how I get. For that. It feel like it's a one take. I might do another take, but I go for Shireen, you know. Shireen look like she not really in it. Shireen look like she have to go work. Get a Shireen, but what you say now, Marvin? Oh, Shireen, Shireen. What you say now? Yeah, so Shireen. What you say now? Can Shireen fly up like say, oh. But you say now, Marvin. I must say Shireen come in, so Shireen voice need to sound like she a running it. Well, that's it now. Focus on everything, man. But you say now, Marvin. Marvin, man, me need to go work, you know. Marvin, what? Marvin, me not have time. Move no, man. Oh, God, have Cho. Marvin, me need to go work. Move out that way. This you really call me for? You know, say those big idol. And that's Shireen. Shireen never really, like, me might even cut out some of Shireen part them. I'm gonna test this. Then if we need to add anything, circle back. Alright, boom. So we transfer the video from off of the phone to the laptop in my video editing software. That's a Sony Vegas Pro for those who want to know. I think they have up to 16 now or 13 we use. So, you know, if that information is relevant to you, then go ahead and do with it what you will, you know. If anything I'm gonna need to add like any other sounds, me just sit down and do it. What I always love about like when I do them video too is if like natural background sounds there. So in this you hear the birds them a chirp chirp and no other talking or nothing. Sometimes it's not always like that. They might have music and you have to take out that and all of them things. Sherry, look at. Alright, see Marvin, yeah? Boom. So boom boom boom, drag that over here so. And now we just try to line it up with Sherry in there. What you say now, man? Boom. But that's Sherry in right there, so. What you say now, Marvin? You see it? Boom. Sherry! And then more Sherry into something else after that. Look at Sherry. Alright, you see that? See that? See? Already me like it, you see me? Already me like it. We're going to just continue and see what I go on. But already, this looked like it was a one take. So the part though, cause you see like when Shireen fly off, it look like Marvin call out. When we see it when I watch the full video, like Marvin, Shireen. Alright, so I'm gonna take like Marvin singing end abruptly. So when he end abruptly now, and Shireen fly off, Marvin call out the Shireen. See? Yeah, and the way how I drop it on, it look like him voice. It look like him actually say something. Like him opening his mouth. You know what I mean? And that's it, it's done. This was a one take. This looked like it definitely was a one take. When I do now, I just drop on K2K logo, render it, and upload it to IG. And then we this goddamn sitting here ramp with my man. Sorry if it got blurry a while ago. Not logo, but the IG tag thing, but so people can know, you know what I mean? This was done by Kevin Too Crazy. One of the things that make me know when a video is good for me is that it make me laugh. That's one of the indicators. Not all the time it work, but that's one of the indicators. And I see as me start edit this I laugh a little bit. Alright people, this is just a very tiny detail, but while I was watching the video, I realized she flew on, that Shireen fly on, and she fly out. So what would have nice to do I hear like the flying sounds, and how I'm going to achieve that is by using a book to get like a little fluttering of the wings. So what me I gonna do for Uno right now, I gonna put up for Uno see like me, a record, and the actual video.
Yeah, say no, Marvin.
Shireen.
Marvin, man, me need
Shireen,
to
look
go
at
work, you.
No, look at her, Shireen.
Marvin, what?
So.
Marvin, me not have time. Move no man.
Where there was that? That will never die. Oh, that was so badly bad.
Marvin, me need to go work. Move out that way.
In the street, all big man, no back into this. Oh, no, what the fuck? I can't do it. I don't do it.
Big eye.
Everybody feel. Shireen!
Anything you can do after you're done to make your video, you know, have more life, more energy, sell itself more, you know, a better way, then do it. You see me? Especially when it comes to like voiceovers. And all the time you're gonna need it, you just need to use your discretion as to when, like, alright, that little sound there right there, so it's gonna help it. Alright, so vlog. I'm gonna tell you, like in the last part of the video, they made us say, yo, do whatever you can, any little thing for like, make sure say, the video, you know, come out the way you want it to come out. When you do like voiceovers, right? So my day also just done workout, that's why I look kind of greasy and sweaty. And I was about to post, like, see the post ready there. See? Post me, I go post it. And then we just get the idea for remix the song when we do that sing. Because in the video, the bird actually do a mating dance. So I'm going to remix the song and then drop that bunny and the video then I go post. We are go back in now, we are going to re-record the part, Marvin part. And all right. Just when he starts singing, but I have on this so I can hear and match up the audio in the right way. So when them say, that will never die, I look at don't me, I beg God right now, my penis dry. As you can see, I end up change all the song sound. The final video, you can watch it on my Instagram at Kevin Too Crazy. But they end up adding also the instrumental for the Willy Bunks song, just to make it, like I say, you know what I mean, enhance it. So I'm going to render it right now and post it. If you want to see the full video, Kevin Too Crazy on Instagram. I put it in the description. That is it. That is how you do a voiceover. Sometimes you have to go change things last minute, but just to make the thing come out the way it's supposed to, you do what you have to, you know. And in the end, as a creator, if you feel like you do all you can do, you should be proud of what you have created. So if you want to see the full video, dip on my Instagram.